I'm Katie Herbert. I'm a home renovator and I love exploring creative and interesting spaces. I'm a pretty decisive person, but in my job, sometimes I'm spoiled for choice. Let's put it to the test. Oh, nail gun, easy. I mean, it's so satisfying that. That's a good feeling. Chop saw, the motion there of the. That's a good feeling. It's just going to be all weird sound effects. I'm a big wine fan, but I have to say, pink bubbly, that's my fave. There's nothing like a full day of demo. It's like a destructive yoga. Night out. Black. Ooh, black. I'm gonna say retro. Fabric. Dance. Cats. Takeout. Summer. Oh, I kind of dislike both, honestly. Until I know you, and then I'm gonna give you a big hug. So maybe I'm a hug person. How honest can I be? I hate that, it's awkward. Okay. Ocean. Big kitchen. Well, our show's called Handmade HOTELS, so of course I'm gonna say handmade. I love my steel toes, but I'm gonna say heels. You just feel better when you're in a pair of heels. Definitely not staple glue. Oh, sorry. For more of me checking out incredible spaces, tune in to Handmade HOTELS on Makeful.